Here we're going to evaluate the trigger point referrals for pectoralis major, starting with the two uppermost trigger points in black on what's called the clavicular head, with pain referrals directly in the anterior shoulder. So pain from this portion of the muscle would refer or be felt in the front of the shoulder. Next, in the middle, we see three trigger point locations that will refer pain pretty locally to the belly of the muscle in orange, and also down the arm into the medial elbow and into the anterior side or front side of the fifth, fourth, and third digit. So pinky, ring, and middle. And lastly, the lower fibers we see in blue are going to refer into the lower pectoral region. Here we have the pain referrals for the pectoralis minor with trigger points located at the attachments on the ribs, creating pain referrals into the anterior lateral shoulder and chest, down the medial arm and into the anterior side or the palmar side of the fifth, fourth, and third digit. The biggest thing about pec minor is its capacity to entrap the brachial plexus, leading to much of the pain going down the medial side of the upper extremity and into the hand and fingers. Despite being such a small muscle, subclavius has a pretty large pain referral along the inferior side of the clavicle, down the anterior arm, into the lateral or radial side of the forearm, and ultimately into the first, second, and third digit palmar side. The trigger point location for this muscle is going to be at its attachment on the costal cartilage of the first rib. Serratus anterior has a trio of trigger points that have referrals into the belly of the muscle and the lateral rib, often referred to as a stitch in the side kind of pain, as well as spilling back into the medial border of the scapula. In addition to that, it has pain referrals that will shoot down the medial arm and forearm into the palm of the hand, as well as the fifth and fourth digit on the palmar side.